Hello friends, we have uploaded this video in our channel long time ago in Tamil. Many subscribers wanted the same video in English, so we are uploading this video in English. We wish this would be helpful to you all. In this video, I will be explaining you some basic exercises for healthy eyes and to reduce power for perfect eyesight. I had my eye power as 0.25 at the beginning and later it increased to 0.75 in 1 year. So we came to know about these exercises in which we can reduce our power and stop wearing glasses. Many people said that you can do surgery, laser, etc. But we didn't find it helpful because my current age is 13 and there is an age limit for those surgeries. At the time I reach 18, I would have a lots of power. So to control your power until you want surgeries, these exercises will be helpful for you. If you can afford to visit Pondicherry's Aravindan Ashramam Eye Care Center and you are 35 and below, you can get free eye exercises training. And people who are above 35 can get eye care from their teachers outside of the ashramam. They will provide care and solution for all types of eye deficiency. We nowadays can't avoid technology as online classes are there and we often work for offices and all. We also take less nutrient foods. So they will also give you a solution for preventing you from wearing glasses. It is very simple to do and might take 45 minutes to 1 hour approximately. It is our own experience and not for advertising. If you found it helpful, you can get appointment in internet itself. You might need to go for a week and twice a day. Now we will go into the video and carefully watch them. First, you must clean your eyes with the eye drops that they give you. It is nothing but just clean water. Then you must go to an open space where sunlight is available. Then you must move like a swing from one side to another by lifting your leg and dropping them one by one. You must close your eyes and sunlight must fall on your eyes. You have to do it about 60 times, like 60 oscillations. The second exercise is you must do acupuncture for your hands and face. This makes the nerves of connecting the eyes active. You must press the two sides of your thumb 3 times with your other thumb. And you have to continue pressing all the other fingers 3 times on the middle like this. Now you must press from your pointing finger to the middle finger in a U shape 3 times in a row. Then repeat the same on the other hand. Now press the spot on your earring hole 10 times. Then press and roll the starting point of your eyebrow 3 times in a circular motion like this. After that move slowly down your eyebrows to the starting point by doing the same, leaving some space in between as follows. Doing this whole process 3 times, and you must sense the bone and do it on. Now you must do this way from your eyebrow, starting and end with 3 circles behind the ear. And again start from the bottom of the eye, and at the end do it 5 circles on the middle of your forehead. The last step of this is palming. You must rub your both palms and place it on your eyes in a cross like this. You must wait for 5 minutes, but if you feel you have lots of time, you can wait for 10 to 15 minutes also. The next exercise is you must wear an eye covering according to the person prescribed in the ashrama. You have to take a tennis ball and stand in this position and hold your hands in your shoulder level. Now you have to throw the ball from hand to hand by watching it with your eyes carefully. You have to also blink your eye when it reaches each of your hand. You must throw the ball to the ground in a V shape. You have to do it very slowly and count up to 40. Now you have to keep your hands to the bottom and throw the ball into the sky in upside down U shape. You must do it 40 times only. The ball mustn't go up above your eye level. You must repeat the exercise by covering your less power eye for more efficiency on the other. exercise, you must lift your right hand in a thumbs up position and move it to your right side slowly and make your eyes follow it. Make sure that you mustn't move your head. Your head must always look in the front. Blink your eyes when you reach each end and do it 5 times in this way. And repeat the same with the other side too. Now you can continue by watching the video. Then you must look something far away and move your finger this way to get good clarity in your eyes. You must do like this same 5 times. Next, you must make a grill kind of setup on your window like this for this exercise. You must do the same which we did in the first exercise by moving our legs from left to right, from side to side, but opening your eyes and focusing on the object far away. You have to do it 40 times and you have to blink each time you go to an end. There is also a chart exercise you can follow by looking at this video. Blinking every time is the most important part of these exercises. You would need a chart like this, but you must change your chart every time to get improvement. If you follow these simple exercises, you can get healthy and perfect eyesight. These are the few exercises you can do it at home. But in case you are visiting the ashram, you will have 1 or 2 exercises extra for your eyes. They would consult you, they would check your power, and they would give you the correct amount of exercises. They would also give you a duration. you.